Hello and welcome to my video about dilations. So this is enlarging or shrinking a shape. And so let's look at this and look at this shape here. And let's go with the red first. So the original shape is purple. We're going to dilate our shape by half times. Okay? So what that means is every point in our shape is going to, or every length in our shape is going to be shrunk in half. Okay? Or be divided by 2. So currently we have a length from this side all the way to this side of how much? Of 4. Right? That's original. So what we need to do is shrink it to, let's do this here. We need to shrink it to 2. So it was 4. We now made it half as long, and that's 2. Same thing with this side. Was 4. We shrink it half as long, half as long, half as long. And you'll notice here that we now have a shape that is, we call it half the size, but it's actually a quarter of the, like, it's dilated by a half, but it's actually a quarter of the area. So just interesting to notice, but that's what we call half. So all the sides, all the lengths have been divided by 2. Okay, now let's do the green option, which is to make it bigger. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to drag it across and see if this works. There you go. And now what we've done here is the original was 4. The new side is 8. Maybe I'll actually write the numbers. 4, 2, and 8. So you can see that we dilated our shape by 2 times. We made it bigger. Each side length is bigger by 2 times. Alright, so that's all that dilation is, enlargement or shrinking. Just the important part is when you say dilated by half, it means you're making it smaller. Like, so anything less than 1 makes it smaller, anything bigger than 1 makes it bigger. Alright, let's take a look at this one because it's not a square, so maybe it's a little bit more confusing. But let's see if we can do this anyway. So this says dilate by 2 times. So what I'm going to do is every point or every length is going to get bigger by 2 times. So that means this bottom side is how big? Well, it's currently, let's maybe write that in purple, it's currently 2 long. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it 4 long. Okay, but we don't know exactly where, so we're just going to make a line here and here to remind us it's 4 long. And our height is currently 3 tall. So 1, 2, 3. Right? You can see it's 3 tall. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a height of 6. And the center of our shape is right here. Right? So we're going to have 3 above and 3 below. So 1, 2, 3 above and 3 below. So 1, 2, 3 below. All right. So sometimes things can be difficult, but that's okay. We're almost there. Remember, our length was 4 at the bottom, and our height now is 6. Now I just want to have, maybe I can use my ruler here. $71 it looks like. It's not perfect, but you get the picture. Okay, again, it's not perfect. It should go all the way up to this point up here, and it doesn't seem to be, but it's pretty darn close. So our shape, if you count it, is exactly double the size for all the lengths. So the bottom is now 4 instead of 2, and the height is now 6. So from here, let's do it. From here to here is now 6 instead of 3. So that's all that it is. I hope this video helps you understand dilations a little bit better. Good luck.